Hello everybody, so today I will provide an overview of MycomEye, the mobile app of Mycom. Mycom is a leader on service assurance, and we are providing now an app for a CSP executive to get high-level view of the networks. So within the mobile app, we are providing to CSP executive network data, service data, business data for the organization. We can build any type of dashboards for the CSP executives. And we are providing also a set of predefined dashboards that I'm going to present right now. So on these dashboards, we are providing 360 degrees on radio KPIs, throughput information, control rates. We can also look at the trend of the data. So the trend on the last 7 days. We can also identify the delta compared to the past week. We are not only providing 360 degree on the network, we are also providing information about special events. So when a special event is running, we are providing in an instant what's going on the network in real time on the different locations. So here it's a special event in Paris, in France, for a music festival. And you can see how the different locations are behaving on the RAN network. So on the 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G access network. So for example, in Champs-Élysées, you can see in real time a deviation in the event, a degradation. So when you click on the event, you can identify which part of the network is impacted, which category of KPIs is impacted, and you can also understand what are the number of cells on the different technology which are impacted. So you can easily navigate, and you can then notify the right people in the organization in real time. Another type of dashboard is related to UCLA speed test. So I was introducing that we can manage network data, service data, business data. We can manage any type of information. And so here we are collecting information from UCLA, speed test and throughput information associated to the different operators. So as an operator, I can look at the throughput in my network on the 5G, but also the combined 4G, 5G throughput. And I can benchmark this throughput with the other operators. So I have the comparison at the network level of the UCLA speed test throughput, the user experience, the customer experience, comparing to the competition. What is very important also is that you can look at some dashboards related to some locations, to some cities. So we were showing at the very beginning a 360 degree on the network. And here we are looking on every city. What is the traffic? What is the throughput? We are ranking the cities by the highest traffic. And we can also categorize the cities with the major cities, the medium and the small ones. So here, for example, in France, we are looking at the traffic on the big cities like Paris, Marseille, Lyon. And also we can look at throughput information, again with the delta compared to the past week. And of course, every time you can look at the trend and the delta compared to the past week, so the evolution in real time. What is very important also for our CSP executives, it's to understand how the vendor they are behaving on the network. So when you have multiple vendors, you are interested to understand all the different vendors are behaving each other, and being able again to benchmark the vendors at the network level on certain regions. So here we are looking at the throughput and the trend on the throughput. So we are looking at the 4G, and again you can look at the trend and the delta compared to the past week. You can compare the different vendors on the throughput in megabit per second. We are also looking at the throughput at the busy hour, okay, because it's very important when there is a high level of traffic, when the usage is high, to understand what is the experience for the end users when it comes to the throughput. And we are providing some experience, of course, on the 3G and on the 5G.